Ready to transform your kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is the ultimate game changer for effortless meal prep. Imagine replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, and more with just one sleek appliance. This incredible 9-in-1 functionality means less counter clutter and endless cooking possibilities for any dinner or dessert. With 15 smart, customizable programs, preparing meals is precise and foolproof, simplifying even complex recipes. Just press a button for perfectly cooked chili, soup, or even a cake every single time, ideal for your busiest nights. And the durable stainless steel inner pot isn't just easy to clean, it's healthier and built to last for years of delicious meals. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's a complete kitchen solution designed to streamline your life and inspire culinary creativity. If you're looking to buy the best kitchen appliance for 2025, this is it. Check out the Amazon link in the description to get yours. Don't miss out on revolutionizing your cooking experience. Click that link now for pricing and more details. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have for anyone serious about making delicious, healthy meals with ultimate convenience.